Is it allergy or a cold? Knowing the difference can help you feel better faster. Allergies cause symptoms like sneezing, itchy eyes, and a clear, runny nose that lasts as long as you're exposed to the allergen. Viruses cause colds and usually come with a sore throat, body aches, and thick nasal mucus. Allergies don't cause fever, but colds might. If your symptoms persist for weeks and include itching, it's likely allergies. If they last about a week and come with a fever, it's probably a cold. Keep track of symptoms and triggers to decide when to see a doctor. ENT Explained. Follow for weekly insights.